Chef Andrew with Kikkoman. Today we're making grilled pork sliders with a sweet and spicy soy glaze and crispy fried onions. You can find the sweet and spicy soy glaze recipe in one of my sauce hack videos. So let's get started. I made these 2-ounce pork sliders and I'm going to season with a little bit of sea salt and coarsely ground black pepper. And the sweet and spicy soy glaze gets brushed on top. And then onto the grill. Sauce side down. And they grill for about 2.5 minutes. And I'm going to brush them periodically with the sweet and spicy soy glaze while they're grilling. The sliders are done grilling now. Look how beautiful and golden brown. Now it's time to plate. Super simple. A slider on each bun. Crispy fried onions. A drizzle of sweet and spicy soy glaze. And fresh chopped cilantro. Grilled pork sliders.